Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. And today I'm here with my student,
Silas.
And Silas is learning Jingle Bells for the Christmas recital 2020. But we wanted to make a little special arrangement of it to make it a little extra fancy for the recital. So since we added our own little touches that are not written in the music, I'm going to show how to do it so he'll remember when he gets home. So we start with finger 2 of both hands on B. And we just played the opening theme, which we marked intro. Beep, 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 beep. Then cross over and then play it again. So you play it 3 times, and then we play it a little differently here. Jingle all the way. And then we jump back down, play the whole song, just as written. Then we play that theme again. And then we repeat the whole song an octave higher. And then repeat the theme one more time. And that's the end. And we all know what happens after that. Silas will be taking his bow. As the crowd cheers wildly for the best piano champion they've ever heard. Are you excited for the Christmas recital? So this year I have some bad news. We can't have our Christmas cookie buffet and our hot chocolate station after the recital. It's illegal this year. So I think instead, you know what we're going to do? I have to figure it out still, but I think we're going to do a take-home hot chocolate and Christmas cookie kit that you can enjoy at a later time after the recital, since we can't have it at the recital. So, but we're thankful we get to have a recital. Very thankful. So give yourself and Christmas and the Christmas recital 2 thumbs up. Yeah!